How to put your computer to sleep using the keyboard. Follow these steps. On your Windows computer, create a new shortcut. Enter the code above. I put the code in the description. Copy. Paste. Next, name. Sleep. This is the newly created shortcut. Configure this shortcut as follows. Properties. Change icon. OK. Sleep icon. OK. Shortcut key. Control, Alt, capital S. Control Alt S. Apply. OK. And here is the result. I use the keyboard to put my computer to sleep. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.